Welcome to UptimeHealth. Here we have our Uptime controller. This dashboard allows healthcare facilities to easily view everything going on, devices managed, spend, new added devices. You can drill down to a facility at its local level, see what's happening there as well. You can view all of the equipment you have in your system. Each equipment has its own device record with everything going on, all the important information, as well as all of the work orders associated with it, keeping you in compliance with regulatory bodies. You can see all the facilities you have, add more, all of the work orders you currently have outstanding, their status, and easily request new ones by entering the asset ID. It'll pre-populate all the information you need. Once you request service, it'll automatically ping the service provider attached to the record. Here's where you can manage all of your service providers and technicians. You can look at those at a local level as well, what they're doing for you, what they currently have outstanding. If you don't have a dedicated technician, you can always come to Uptime Health or Uptime Market. From here, enter make, model, your address, hit submit. It'll populate all of the providers that can do that for you. Click more details, review more about that individual, maybe their certifications, whatever else you'd like, send them a message or click hire me. Enter in all the information you would like, hit confirm, and start a back and forth conversation before you hire them. Simple as that.